Hey friends, if you wish to fix GfxUI application error on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update Visual C++ redistributable. So simply search for, okay, I'll copy this, Visual C++ redistributable, and go to their website. The first link, the learn.microsoft.com link. Click on Visual C Studio 2015, 2017, so on, and then scroll down and click on the x84 file. If you have a 64-bit computer, now in the rare case that you have a 32-bit computer, select the x86 one, but I will select the x64 one, and then click on open, and then click on repair if it has an option for repair, and if it has an option to install, then install it and then restart your computer. In 99% cases, this will solve the problem, but if it doesn't, then the next solution will be to update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select Update Driver. Right click on the second one and select Update Driver. The next solution is a clean boot. So here's what you have to do. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the services checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.